Hi, my name is Anand, and this is my review on the online webinar conducted by the Placement Cell of PGDAV College on the topic Financial Modeling with the guest lecturer, Mr. Varun. I think the session was fantastic. Mr. Varun was really great. He used his professional financial expertise to help us understand about financial modeling and its crucial aspects like income statement, balance sheet, cash flow statement. Mr. Varun started by covering the basics of accounting, and so that non-commerce background students was also understand what he was talking about. And he shared some great tips and tricks on how to create a successful and well-balanced financial model. And I think the session was highly interactive as participants like me had various doubts, and Mr. Varun was keen to answer them, and he opted using simple language and real life relatable examples which help us understand and help us get solutions or answers to our questions, and it was great at ending the session.